Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check it out. So I'm doing a little quick demo on a video on how to install a shift knob. Yeah, a shift knob. Simplest thing to install in the world, but this Dodge is a little tricky for you guys out there. Probably don't know how to do it or which way it goes or how it goes on. So you'll see a few weird things inside this truck. Number one, you'll see a let me see. This is a 15 millimeter. You'll see a bolt right here. You'll see the actual shift knob itself with the cap that depicts which gear is which. Gear schliff knob. And lotion. That's right, lotion. That's for jerking off later on. So anyways, there you go. Thread this bitch on here like so, to the appropriate depth of where the bolt should go. Get your bolt, put that bitch on there like so. Just like whacking off, that's all. Just like stroking it. Stroking it. That's all. Stroke it. Put that bitch on there like so. Make sure it's about a good depth right there. Alright. Now we lock it. So I'm gonna put the camera down for a split second. Put it on the Titan mode. Lock that son of a bitch on there like so. Then here's where the lotion comes in. Squirt a little bit in your hands, unzip your fly, and start whacking it. But no, I'm just kidding. So all I want to do is just put it around here so it glides in nice and easy. And then put the rest of it on your legs and your arms and your penis, like so. So anyways, put this son of a bitch in here, like so. Yeah, it's kind of, you get really, oh damn, it flew out of me. Just like a load. Flew off at me. All right, that's it guys. Peace out.